Oh man, you're not gonna believe this. I did even worse this time. You want to buzz me in, take a look?
Sure, yeah, sure thing. You just pull right in, I'll get the door. Okay. When you arrive to Hawkins Collision Center, you'll just pull right up in front of the big garage door. Come on in, come talk to me. I'll get a little information from you, then you can just pull your vehicle right in. I'm gonna walk around the vehicle with you. We're gonna get 4-corner pictures of the vehicle. I'm gonna get some information off of it, some pictures of the damage. Then we'll come in, write the estimate. Once we get the estimate all put together, I'll go over everything with you so you know exactly what we'll be doing, and then you'll be set.
Do you work on other makes and models? Because I'm pretty sure I hit my wife's Ford with that.
Yeah, so a lot of people think that we only work on Chevys because we're Hawkins Chevrolet Collision Center, but our technicians are trained to work on most makes and models of vehicles.
Okay.
And now you know a little bit about how the process works. If you ever need to come into Hawkins Collision to get some work done, rest assured we will walk you through the entire process to make it as easy as possible for you. So,
thanks,
Nick,
Connor.
Thank you. We'll talk to you real soon.